boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. My friends, happy Memorial Day to all of you out there, my friends. If you're having fun with your family, you're barbecuing, we're remembering those men and women who lost their lives, my friends, in military service, my friends. It's a day that we celebrate, my friends. And I'll leave something for you at the end. You know, this day started, this Memorial Day of remembering, this started during slavery, my friends. This is an old holiday. But hey, like I said before, 71, the U.S. sanctioned it. It's a national holiday. Our market is closed today, my friends. But I'm going to tell you something. In 2017, right around this time, we were having a rip-roaring good time, my friends. I'm going to tell you about it here in a minute, my friends. But as you know, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author, my friends. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. I know some of you, right now, just look under Mickey D. Go to your, as we open up from COVID-19, from this coronavirus, my friends. It's not a bad idea. I don't think the stores are open. No bookstores or anything. You can't go sit around your Starbucks or what have you yet. But things are getting better, and hopefully we won't have any additional cases. And hopefully the leaders out there are correct in this, my friends. My friends, aren't you glad? Aren't you glad you picked up that book a little while back, the investment clubs? And aren't you glad, you investment clubs, that you took advantage of some of those marijuana ETFs in there, my friends? I don't talk about them a lot here, but you guys have done exceptionally well here over the last couple of weeks or so, my friends. But my friends, I want to talk to you a minute here about this institutional FOMO. I was hitting on that in the last video. If you haven't had a chance to see that, take a look at it, because I do name companies in there. The institutional FOMO within the cannabis sector, my friends. And there's some revisionists out there, my friends. That's what I'm doing. They're trying to say, you know, oh, Mickey D, what? Oh, you this, that, do the. Let me break it down to you. Just, you see, I was there. I traded this stuff, my friends. I made money, you know. And it's the same thing with the uranium. I've been through 2 uranium bull markets. They don't come around very often, my friends. When it went up, I was there, okay? I was there. I trade. Denison Mines is our baby knockout in there that I've told you about, my friends. So these guys, these Johnny come late, haters will be haters. Haters actually make us greater. That's what they do. Haters make us greater, my friends. But let me tell you about 2017, my friends. It was a great year. The run up, to, you know, we're trying to get legislation in Canada, and there was a lot of talk and everything. 2017, it was a great year for the cannabis sector, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. That red button right there. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. I'm glad you guys are answering the call and doing the thumbs up. It's free, my friends. You don't have to spend anything on it, and it's a great thing. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for your donations, for PayPal. You guys are making this thing happen. I'm going to do more and more shows. I'm going to do more and more research. I'm going to send people out. We're going to get this thing, my friends. We're going to be on it. You think we did it last? And I'm going to take you guys. I'm going to show you guys my trading log. You know, I don't bring my trading log out too often, but I'm going to show you guys from 2017. I brought this trading log out maybe in the last 3 years, maybe 2 or 3 times or something. But I'm going to show you guys, my friends, again, because I have a lot of new subscribers. And they weren't here in 2017 when this thing blew up on us, my friends. My friends, as you can remember, there was James out there, Midas newsletter. He was throwing down. He was putting it down. He was interviewing people. He was doing his thing, right? One of the leaders in Canada. I'm talking Canada, my friends. They had it going on. Canada, you had Rich TV Live up in Canada. Rich TV up in Vancouver. Had it going. They just the pioneers. They started this thing. Canada started this thing. You had Aaron at Departures Capital. He could tell you what the flavor of the bagel that the CEO had that morning when it came to Aurora Cannabis. I mean, he was Aurora Cannabis dude. And, you know, that was like after we had gotten in before Aurora Cannabis because we got hooked up with Cam Batley at a conference. So we already knew what time it was at 38 cents early on is when we started going. Because I was there with the Super Trader, California. The Super Trader, I was at the conference, we were sitting next to one another. Cam had spoken, and the Super Trader got up, like in the middle, kind of before his speech was even over. The Super Trader got up, and he was out for about 10, 15 minutes. I asked him, what did he do? And he bought $5,000 worth of Aurora Cannabis just because of what Cam was saying. And he was on it. He came there to buy. He came to that conference to buy. So we've done it, my friends, in this business. You had Dan, the chart man. Remember Dan? You know Dan, big long haired, the cool dude. Dan, the cool dude. Dan was doing his thing. Technical analysis. My friends, that's what was missing in my generation, because we're talking generational thing here, my friends. When I was trading the .coms back in the day, I'd get my newsletter from Doug Casey, or I'd get something from James Dines. These are legendary traders, my friends. And I would say, I'd look at it and I'd, this thing called the, they're going to revolutionize communications, thing called the internet and all that stuff. I'm glad I took some bites of that apple, my friends, because it changed the whole family. It changed the generation. It changed, the internet really did work. As you can see, it works today. So it was marijuana in 2017. We had what I call a retail FOMO. Retail FOMO, my friends. Retail fear of missing out on this trade. Now, what happened? There's people going this and that and the other thing. I just want to show you guys. This is unedited. If I wrote something down, screw that day or whatever. That's what I did, my friends. This is my trading log right here. MJ, you see that? MJ mix, my friends. MJ mix. Look, you see right here, the start date, September 1st, and look up here, under $2,000, my friends. Under $2,000 is what I started with this account. I was just going to play with it and see where it went to, right? $1,796 is what I had in there. This is September 1st of 2017. Then I got to trading like a madman. What was that? Oh, that was my first 2017. I guess that was my first IIPR dividend. I guess right there, IIPR dividend. But my friends, I started trading. There's pluses and minuses and what have you. I was getting, some days. This is my account, my marijuana account. $203, $289, $478, $29 loss, $8.46 win. $212 win, $208 win, $66 win, $93 loss, $260 loss, 77. You see the numbers are smaller, right? That was 9/8. September, those days, September, right? Now, my friends, you go over to October. October started well. October, the stock mix, 250, 112. These are days. This is my trading log, guys. For you that weren't around then, yeah. Am I proud of these stocks? No, I'm not, because there were a lot of junk stocks, my friends. I was telling people to sell these stocks after you made some money. I made some money on these stocks, and I made videos on them too, and I took them down because that wasn't showing the true nature of the scoop of what I wanted to do. So I took a lot of videos down, my friends. I took them down, and I'm going to take a lot more down because you have people, right, that would look at a company. They would go back and look at a video like this OWCP, right? And they'll say, well, he didn't make any money in there and everybody lost their money, my friends. We rode this thing from a penny or 2 pennies or 5 pennies or whatever up to $3. That's where your money was made, okay? Now, when it comes down, if you want to ride it up again like we did in December up to 15 cents, guys, you have to sell. You have to know when to sell. Your timing has to be a little better, my friends. Everybody's timing has to be better. Okay, so we were 9, made it to September, October, 10th month here. Same thing. You had the numbers were still the same, but I was getting bigger numbers. Here's a week for you. Here's a week right here. I had some bigger numbers. This was October 30th, 2017 now, 2017. $860, $284, $90, $42, $474. Every day that week, the count went up. And then after that, I wanted to show you, I had about at one point in time, my friends, this is November, and we had a Santa Claus rally in 2017. These are numbers. Look at the numbers. 202. Stop. Go ahead. Screenshot it. Do whatever you want to do, my friends. $202. $852. $1,147. That kind of got my attention. Those $1,000 days get your attention, my friends. Those 4-digit days. $398. $645. Minus $1,234. That was a big loss that day. Reversal. $645 the next day. $220. These are all a lot of wins. At one point in time, my friends, I had 12 days of over 4 digits, over $1,000 each day. I had 12 days in a row, my friends. All kinds of wins, all kinds of wins. This is at the end of the day now. This is trading in and out. This is my stock mix, my friends. My stock mix. My mix included Canopy and Aurora. Those were two big time included in my mix, my friends. And then look at Christmas. Look at Christmas. Our Santa Claus rally. Right after Christmas and look before Christmas. 21st, 477, 860, 2439, $2,439, guys, in one day. $1,287, $1,518, $405. IIPR gave another dividend of $25. That joker I was going to hold on to. We got it as a teenager, and it went up to $140 on us. And I was just making notes of it giving dividends, and the dividend going up on innovative industrial properties. No, my friends, it always hasn't been $1 or so. At one time, it was $0.25 or so. And make money online with cannabis stocks. That's one of the stocks. That's one of our 40 stocks in here, my friends, is IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, along with those others. This is still pertinent today. If you don't have a copy, make sure you get a copy. The price is going to be going up in there, my friends, because we're right here. Look at this. Now, after New Year's, catch this, guys. Catch this. This is after New Year's. Now, this is from September, trading like a madman, my friends. This is after down day session. Okay, this is after New Year. On the 2nd, this is 2nd, right after the New Year, the 2nd, $3,925, $3,769, $3,199, $1,026, $3,156, $4,515. My friends, the numbers just kept getting bigger. But let me show you what happened at the end here, since I don't want to take up too much of your time here. But at the end, this is an account. Get some of the end pages here. Oh my goodness, I had some good weeks, my friends. Some good weeks. Okay. We went all the way up to it was 18. I went all the way up to November of 18. So you can just say October to November. We had about a year and a half or so. Not a year and a half. About a year and a month. Maybe 10, 11 good months. Good months. That's what I'm saying. This is going to be bigger because this was retail. The institutions are involved now. Wall Street, the most greediest people in the world are involved right now, my friends. And I say it in a complimentary way. They're going to run these things up to heaven. That's what they do. On 11/27/18, this I don't check this stuff or anything, my friends. On 11/28/18. Look for USA properties. That was my thing. Look for USA properties. That meant for me to look for USA companies, right? But I said look for USA companies because that $1,700 was now $56,000. $1,700 was now $56,000. And what did I do? I took $27,000 out for what? For uranium and vanadium stocks. That's what I did. That was November of 2018. Now, this is my personal stuff, guys. I don't let anybody into this. You Scoop subscribers, I love you all, and I'm putting you down with this. That's what I did. And then, look, all kinds of research on what kind of companies are these, my friends? These are all uranium companies, vanadium companies. A little bit of gold companies mixed in there. Pages full of stuff, my friends. Pages full of stuff. You know, this kind of stuff. Just I'm old school, man. I'm old school. I write this stuff down, man. I have trading logs and I write it down of where I want to get in and where I have a plan. Just like you should have a plan, guys. And that's how we work these things. Especially with institutional FOMO coming up that will be bigger and greater than the retail FOMO. And you know, you can say you heard it first here, or you can say one of the other guys told you. You can say James, you can say Dan, you can say Rich, you can say Aaron told you. But they're going to be talking about this. See, because I'm in America. See, I'm in America. I'm seeing this stuff right now. And it's just like I remember telling Dan, said, Dan, the money is moving south. The money, big money is moving south. Dan will tell you, I told him that. And, he, you know, after a few months or so, guess what? All that, they could see it. It was evident. It was obvious by then. By the time they could see it, it was obvious. Just like it's obvious to me now what Wall Street is getting ready to do. And they have a lot of players, my friends, because, see, when we did this, when we did our thing here, there was no Wall Street. None of these stocks were listed on the GW Pharma. None of these stocks were listed on major exchanges. I'm talking about pure marijuana players. Like you got your Cannabis now and your Auroras. And these greedy fund managers, these greedy people, how can you call somebody greedy? I'm not calling them greedy here. That's the wrong word. But, you know, a guy makes $500 million a year and he's not satisfied. You know, take some time off and let somebody else make some money, you know. But these guys are going to get in here like you've never seen it before, my friends. And because there's not a lot of places to go. Companies won't allow them to go to other places that we can go to. You know, they can't buy Tilt Holdings, even though they're going to tell their friends and their family to buy our baby knockouts. You know, they can't do it officially with official money, you know. So it's going to be great. If anything, grab you some marijuana. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a money manager, my friends. Grab you some stocks that are listed on the big board on some exchange. Grab you some marijuana stock. This is easy, my friends. This is like taking candy from the. That's why I loaded up on those. Look at the last video. You'll see which stocks I picked, my friends. I'll have a little. I'll make it part of a. I'll make it part of a little playlist for you. You know, that way people won't copy and all that other stuff. You know, but some of these, you're gonna have fun. You know, in 2017, that's what we did. That's what I did personally. And there were people that were with me that were around in 2017 when I was talking about these stocks. And, you know, they were, a lot of them, like, I'll admit it. There's no guilt here because this is Wall Street. They'll rob you blind, man. They'll take your money in a second. These stocks were junk stocks. They don't need to be part of the scoop, okay? I don't put them up there, put a video up there. Like some of these clowns that come lately, this clown up in Canada, you know, go through the archives, man, and look at some of that junk stuff. They don't even have the same names. Some of them are zero. And I started warning people about these stocks going to zero. Late 2018, I believe it was. I started warning. I've got videos out there. There's some videos out there, at least the last year. I know there's some videos out there of me warning people, telling you stocks are, there's a playlist of stocks going to zero. There's still some more, my friends, that are going to be going to zero. But anyway, I've been long-winded. It's just so much fun to get back with you, and especially on 2017. What a banner year for everybody. We had a great time, my friends. We had a great time, and it's coming back, and it's going to be bigger and better, my friends, because the institutions are involved. Greedy Wall Street is getting ready to put a hole in this thing, man. When they come, you guys have to. You guys don't. My friends, I've been trading for years. And when they run something up, just like they did with 27, just like with gold, just like with uranium. In that uranium, you guys probably don't remember the nano stocks, real estate. My friends, I've been involved with all of these run-ups. My friends, I've traded them all. Okay, Wall Street doesn't know when to say when to stop. They don't know. They really don't know when to stop. And I have a feeling that the marijuana sector is one of those sectors that you're going to have people calling their stockbroker, I want this, give me this marijuana stock, give me that. Last time in 2017, we had a little feel of it. We had a little feel of what is about to happen, my friends. But it's just crazy. The these bull markets, it's crazy. It's just out there, my friends. Be prudent, my friends, about this. What do we say in Proverbs? Prudent man sees danger and takes cover, my friends. Do what you have to do, my friends. But this is going to be a wild, wild ride. Enjoy it. Love it for what it is, my friends. We're talking about generational stuff here, my friends. We're talking about something that the millennials love. They love. I've tried to put them in IIPR. No, Mickey D, we want Aurora. You can have it. And I feel safe now you buying it. If you bought it before the reverse, I don't think it was a good idea. But now that they've gone down and they're on their way back up and you got all this new money coming in, my friends, go for it. Go for it. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. You enjoy the rest of the day with you and your family, my friends. Enjoy that sunshine. What do we have here? We got about 85 degrees or so. Here, my friends, it's nice and warm, about 29 degrees Celsius for you, no matter where you are in this world of ours, my friends. We love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. My friends out there in the military, haze, gray, and underway, salute you, boys. Do your thing, and girls, and ladies, and men, do your thing, my friends. Protect your country and do what you have to do. I love you. One other quick story, my friends. The guys on the Roosevelt that have gone through the aircraft carrier, that have gone through COVID-19 and all that, my friends, that's horrible. I'll never forget. It was around the holiday season. I was on an aircraft carrier when I was in the Navy, out in the Indian Ocean, the middle of the Indian Ocean, and we had a fire, my friends. I was part of the rescue and assistance team, my friends. I'll never ever forget pulling those bodies out of that area, my friends. It's wild. It's wild, my friends. You have people in the military my shipmates understand what passion I have for them, and the love I have for them, my friends, and for you also, my subscribers. You've got a friend for life in Mickey D and the Scoop, my friends. Let's enjoy it. Let's make some money. Let's do it. Let's not. Don't deviate. All the haters and naysayers and stuff, don't let them deviate, my friends. This is your time. This is your money. This is going to be on you. This is on you and your family. Take your family to the next level on this next bull run with these marijuana stocks, my friends. It can happen. Take your family to the next level. I'm telling you, I've done it several times, my friends. I mean, you don't get too carried away, but do what you have to do. We said early in the year, what do we say? We're going to pay off some debt and stuff. We're going to get our finances in order. My friends, we're right there on the doorstep. Do not let the naysayers, the chirping, stop you from your mission, my friends. Do what you have to do. Take care of your family. God bless you.